In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete custom fields in Wrike. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's jump right into it. First things first, you need to log in to your Wrike account. So head on over to the Wrike website. Once you're there, look for the Login button. You can choose your preferred method to authenticate your account. This might be through Google or another option. Just follow the prompts and you'll be in your dashboard in no time. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the sidebar on the left side of your main dashboard. You're going to navigate to something called Space Overview. This is where you can manage different settings and configurations for your projects and custom fields. Once you've clicked on Space Overview, you'll want to find the Settings gear icon. This is usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Click on that icon to open up the configuration menu. You'll see a variety of options here, but we're focused specifically on custom fields today. Next, look at the top of the menu options and you will see a tab labeled Custom Fields. Clicking on this tab will display all the custom fields that are currently in use within your account. It's important to know that custom fields can be quite useful, but there may come a time when you decide you no longer need a specific custom field, and that's completely okay. Now, let's find the specific custom field that you want to remove. Scroll through the list and locate the field you wish to delete. Once you find it, click on that field to select it. You've done the hard part, but now we need to finalize the deletion. Look for the option labeled Delete from Account. Clicking this will trigger a confirmation prompt. It's Wrike's way of making sure that you're making this change intentionally, which is always a good practice when it comes to data management. When that confirmation box pops up, asking if you're sure about deleting the custom field, take a moment to double-check that you've selected the right one. If you're confident that you want to proceed, go ahead and click on the Delete button in that prompt. And that's it. You've successfully removed a custom field from your Wrike account. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look, but I hope this step-by-step guide has helped clarify everything for you. If you follow these instructions carefully, you'll find managing your custom fields in Wrike to be a breeze. As always, I encourage you to explore other features in Wrike, as it has a wealth of tools that can enhance your project management experience. Thank you for joining me today. If this video has helped you and you found it useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video for more tips and tutorials. Keep experimenting with Wrike and I'll see you in the next video.